What's up YouTube, I'm Red Fox here and today we're unboxing and reviewing the Nerf Star Wars The Force Awakens Chewbacca Bowcaster. And here's a look at it. And it says the Nerf logo there. It comes with 5 darts and it goes to 20 meters and it stars Star Wars The Force Awakens there. So let's take a look at the back. So it says Nerf, it says Chewbacca Bowcaster there, it says fight the First Order, like the rookie hero Chewbacca with the start firing bowcaster. And it says 20 meters there. It comes with a movable scope, tactical roll, comes with your 5 dots, looks pretty cool. It comes with dart slots and there it just says real crossbox, and so that's really enough for the box, so let's take a look inside. Here we have your instructions here, instructions there, and yeah, so let's open this all up. So here we have Chewbacca's like scope sort of thing, something where you can like see through, quite weird. Here we have your 5 darts, and here we have your bow piece, quite big. Like that. Here we have your storage stock. Here we have your thing that goes like at the back of the bow and the gun, and yeah, here's the blaster itself. Feels pretty comfy. So first, you put on your storage stock. So you can't put it on the other side of the blaster, and it goes on one side. Here you have your see-through oh, I've already done it. And so if you put this on, it's on for good. Sorry about that, we just had figure out how to put this in, so it just takes so it's gonna be on forever, so like that. And then so how do you put this on? So you put it so you put it on top, and then there's two things where you can put it in, but you're only really supposed to put it in one. Then you push this up, and then there, so. And so the last thing to look at is the darts. So here's a look at the darts. So it says Star Wars, it has the Rebel sign there. It says Nerf there. It has like green nib there. Looks like it might glow in the dark, but it might not. So just load that in. And then to load it, so you pull the string back. There, just touch that. So just leave that off, and then pull that like that, and then there, just like that. It's pretty cool. So I just put hook on. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like and subscribe the video. Bye.